Ivanka Trump, whom we obviously known is the daughter of the current commander-in-chief and the president of the United States of America, can also be described as a fashion designer, a businesswoman, and a key advisor to the President of USA. So how has Ivanka Trump net worth of $1 million been made? Here is Ivanka Trump biography. Early life. If it is your wish to call the daughter of Donald Trump, who is currently the President of the United States of America, and her first wife and a model, Ivana Mary. Ivana, you are right. She was born in New York City in 1981. Her parents separated when she was just 10 years. She has two brothers and a half sister and a half brother. Ivanka went to Chapin School, then transferred to Wharton Business School and later the University of Pennsylvania. Where she graduated with a Bachelor in Economics. Personal life. Before getting married to her current husband, Jared Kushner, whom they have 3 children with 1 daughter and 2 sons. Ivanka had several relationships with the likes of James Bingo, Gableman and George Hussers. Age, height and weight. Being born on 30 October 1981, Ivanka Trump is 40 years old as of 2 days. Date 13th December 2021. Her height is 1.8 meter tall and her weight is 64 kg. Career. As a businesswoman, she is Ivanka Trump in 2007 opened up Ivanka Trump Fine Jewelry, which was a retail store that used to sell the diamond and globe jewelry. The business was replicated everywhere in the US and also in other countries such as UAE, Qatar, Bahrain and other areas. A part of jewelry, Ivanka also owns fashion items comprising shoes, clothes, handbag, accessories and others. As a model, she was once ranked among the top 100 hot models and placed in number 88 and 99 respectively. She was also an actor on the Apprentice series and in Gossip Girl. Other than that, she has authored a book titled The Trump Card, Playing to Win Work and Life, and another one titled Women Who Work Rewriting the Rules of Success. Awards and achievements. Apart from being an advocate of women issues, especially on matters related to health and entrepreneurship, Ivanka has yet to receive some awards, but on achievements, she has made some milestones considering she has achieved a lot from a business and political perspective. Net worth and salary of Ivanka Trump in 2021. As of December 2021, Ivanka Trump's net worth currently stands at a $350 million. Most of her net worth fortune has been a result of her vast business, jewelry, fashion, and real estate. In 2016, Ivanka and her husband Jared Kushner reported making $740 million from their real estate investment. Ivanka is also reported to be making between $1 to $5 million from her share to Trump International Hotel. In 2016 alone, Ivanka is reported to have a field profits amounting to $195 million. Ivanka Trump and Jared Kushner's net worth amount to more than $1 billion, of which Jared Kushner's net worth stands at $800 million. We cannot dispute that Ivanka Trump, although she is the daughter of a billionaire and most importantly the President of the United States, she is a hard-working woman. She is not the woman who sits and waits for food to be brought in the table, but she is the type that wakes up, works hard, and has a heart of humanity to wonder. She is a value at a $350 million net worth fortune.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.